Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go?
Am I going down with him?
Yes.
He's too scared. It's okay, Ollie. Come on.
Be careful.
This way. Ollie, this way. Come over here. Come on. Come on. I made a path for you. Come on. You bought this. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Can I draw him?
No.
In the mountain?
He wants to go to his lamppost so bad. All right. There's like no snow there. You can see the grass.
Yeah. It's all ice. Oh, yellow snow.
All right, bring him back, Katie.
Snow is weird. Ready?
Come on, Ollie. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ollie. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Eat some snow.